Okay, welcome back to the wearing experience. My name is Alex. This is episode 7. So today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to do an unboxing and first impressions of Nasamatto Baraonda. So this is a fragrance that I should like since it's in the same category as fragrances such as Roja Enigma by Killian's Angel Share, Vanille Havane by Les Indémodables, and of course Overture. Okay, so here we go. Here is again the box with the cello, if you guys want to see. Here, 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 here. Boom. So the box opens up as such, like this. Here we go. Boom. Beautiful presentation, I must say. Really cool bottle, by the way. 30 ml. Under here, you probably have the batch code also. There you go. There you go. This is actually a really cool cap, cool presentation for 30 ml bottle. This is the inside of the cap. It's pretty light. Let's see what the atomizer and the spray is about. So here you go. Let's see what this one smells like. Okay, so my first thoughts. This is nice. Yeah, this is really nice. So it's different than everything we smelt here. After having presented all of these bottles, I'll tell you right away, it stands in between Ojan. In the opening, I get like the softness and I don't know if this has cinnamon or not, but like the Ojan has this cool thing with like cinnamon and osmanthus that reminds me a bit of this. And also I get a bit of Enigma, although Roja fragrances have a unique smoothness, DNA, and kind of style to them that I don't recognize in this. This definitely is high quality. There's some softness here. It's beautiful. And it smells quite potent. It smells like something that's gonna last for a while. I'm gonna put this on skin right away because I actually love how this smells. I'll say, first impression, and this much liquid, it already feels like it's a backup bottle worthy. Jesus. Let's try one on skin here. There you go. This is nice, folks. Okay, now let me just apply this like I usually do. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nice, folks. Once again, Baraonda by Nasamatto. What a beautiful fragrance. Okay, so let me pause this and I will be back. So I've spent a good 6 to 8 hours with this on and it is simply beautiful. I'm so thrilled. This fragrance is right up my alley. It's really in my wheelhouse. It's exactly what I enjoy wearing. Such a great scent. What a banger. I am on board. What is it like to wear Baraonda? Right away, it's enveloping, it's sweet and sophisticated. You could understand what it's doing, where it's going. You get that whiskey and woody accord. And I feel like the rose makes a big difference in this fragrance too. And it's just smooth, man. And it just screams elegance. It's an extrait, so it stays close to the skin. It's easy to wear. And the sillage is pretty intense. Having now looked at the notes, I could tell you that what's a bit different is that this one has rose. So basically the note breakdown is very simple. You have whiskey, woody notes, ambrette, you have musk, ambroxan, and rose. Who is Baraonda for? It's for anyone who enjoys these like sweet, boozy scents that I presented before. So people who like Ojan, people who like Vanille Havan, people who like Overture, people who like Enigma from Roja. So anyone who enjoys warm, boozy scents, who like to wear these types of smells. I often hear them described as date night smells, but you know, let's be real. Of course you could wear this on a date night, but you could go way beyond that. You know what I mean? Dates aren't the only occasions where it's nice to feel smooth and elevated. This is how I would describe this scent, as smooth, elevated, sweet, and beautiful. What a great scent. Baraonda by Nasamatto. Honestly, I have one wear with this, so take it for what it's worth. This is me after one wear. Again, fragrance is very personal. What works for me might not work for you, but I will say, so far I would rate it a 10. It's amazing. I wouldn't change anything about this. I like how it feels. This is such a win. Such a win. So that's it, folks. My name is Alex. This was episode 7 of the Wearing Experience. Live unboxing and first impressions of this beauty here, Baraonda by Nasamatto. I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.